Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on your HP OmniBook X. To record the screen, simply click on a key combination. So I'll show you that first. On the keyboard, you can either click on Windows, Shift and S at the same time. It should open a crop tool. I'll show you how it works in a moment. Or you can also, I believe you can find sometimes a print screen key. Here, I don't really see it. And I'm not really sure, like, it's a different keyboard layout, it's not English, so I can't really be sure, but I'll try clicking on that. I'll try also doing it with the FN. No, but if there's print screen somewhere in the top row, then you can use it to take the screenshot, and if it doesn't work alone by itself once you click on it, you'll need to click on it combined with the FN key on your keyboard. If you want to learn more about the FN key, you can watch a video on our channel on how to use the function keys on this laptop. Now let's start with taking the screenshot. So I'll just click on the Windows Shift and S. Also, like the print screen key may be somewhere else, maybe on some Shift button. So yeah, I don't really know that because I don't have the English layout on this laptop. Now, once you find this record screen button, you can now select the portion of the screen you want to record. I'll just select the whole screen, but feel free to select just a portion of it. Now you can also enable the microphone, so it'll record your voice, and you can enable or disable recording system sounds. I'll leave both enabled and click on start. Now I'll need to let it access my microphone and it'll start counting down from 3. Now it has started recording. Whatever I do on the screen, everything will be recorded, of course, if it's within the recording frame. And once I finish, by the way, you can also pause or delete the video straight away if you know that it's just not good. I'm gonna finish it here with this red stop button. And you can see it is done. I can simply play it and view it. And I hope that this video was helpful. By the way, the screen recording, if you haven't changed the snipping tool settings, it will be found automatically saved in File Explorer, in Videos, in Screen Recordings. But if you've changed the settings, you can still save it manually by clicking on this floppy disk icon, which will save the video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.